So do you know about frozen section? This is the rapid most way to find out whether your uterus or ovary is carrying cancer or not. I am Dr. Usha M. Kumar. I'll be talking about the frozen section today because I think awareness is your strength. Whenever my patients are coming to OPD and they have got the reports in their hands like MRI report, ultrasound report, and they are having ovarian tumor or the endometrial thickness is too much more than the normal limits, they are very scared. They think they are carrying cancer. So endometrial, when I take the endometrial biopsy, I send it, always make sure I always send it for frozen section. It tells me within 30 minutes whether the uterus is carrying cancer or not. So that's very, very important. 90% of the cases, they are not having cancer, and this is just physiological thickness of endometrial lining. But in 10% of the cases, if they have to have cancer, in that case, I can always plan my surgery in advance. Not only that, like ovarian tumor, we can't take the biopsy of ovaries in OPD, but when I plan surgery for that, and if I have suspicious finding in the ultrasound or MRI, or there is high CA125 or other tumor markers, I always tell them about frozen section. Because if I take the sample during surgery, send it for examination and get the report within half an hour, I can always plan the extent of my surgery. So whether to remove the tumor, to remove the lymph node, to do little bigger surgery so that complete clearance of the tumor can be done with one go. There is no need to go for second surgery. This is the biggest advantage.